Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can use the brand kit feature and the CapCut PC apps. So you can find the brand kit feature after you open the CapCut PC apps, and it will appear the interface the first interface like this, and you can uh, click on your space here and you can find the brand kit feature. So it is free with um, time. So you can use the brand kit to upload your brand assets. So if you have the brand asset and you want to use them every you editing your video, you can upload here. So you can upload your brand images, you can upload your brand videos, you can upload your brand stickers, fonts, backgrounds, musics, and etc. So after you upload here, and you can set a new project, and it will appear in the brand kit. So you can use the brand asset in here. So it's fine. Okay, that's how you can use the brand kit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.